Kia ora champions, in today's video we're out exploring an area of the FISHLAKE National Forest. The trail we were on was by no means difficult, however it was very scenic. It starts off climbing up through the pine trees, making our way up to the ridgeline. While the majority of the trail was easy going, there were a couple of spots where we used 4-low just to make life for the Jeep a little easier. We eventually made it to the top of the ridgeline and the views were unreal. One of the highlights being Beehive Peak. There have been a few and still are some active wildfires in the area, so you can see quite a bit of smoke off in the distance. We can only imagine how good the views are on a clear day. While cruising along the ridgeline, we came across this cool old cabin. I've done a fair amount of research and cannot find any information on it. If anyone knows the history, please let us know in the comments. Shortly after passing the cabin, we started our descent back down to the valley. Same thing, the trail was pretty easy, but a couple of spots we used 4-low, mainly to make life easier and not have to ride our brakes the whole way down. We say it every time, but this is definitely somewhere we'll be back to explore further. There are trails everywhere, and we were here on a Saturday and there was barely anyone around. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch us on the next adventure.